Mom?
Yes.
The sidewalk is.
Huh?
The sidewalk is.
Where else you want? I can't. Mom, it's like 3 feet of snow with a shovel.
Go dig a place for Mojo to play at. Go dig Mojo a play area. Just kidding, Dylan. You don't have to do that.
What if I made a little path and then at the end of it made like a big circle?
Yeah, for Mojo. Look at her. Look. She's a crazy dog. What are you doing?
It's actually not that deep because it's mostly passing. Oh!
What?
Look.
Okay, get up.
Oh, who? Hootie, you better get up. You're gonna be all wet.
I know.
What are you doing, Mudge? Get him! Get him, Mudgy! She looks like a Loch Ness monster.
He's huge. He's fat. I'm not Jack. Okay.